ตอนนั้นมึงบอกว่ามึงไม่ชอบหน้าที่เขาใช่ไงเคยได้ยินคำนี้ปะตะวันครับ เดี๋ยวเอาของว่างไป
Everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rockle Page Official. Is here again for another reaction video, and of course, anything. So for today, we're gonna react to the official pilot teaser of the newest Thai PL series entitled Lovely Addict, and this is produced by 9NAA. And also, you can visit the original content on 9NAA YouTube channel. The link is in the description box below. So anyway, I don't wanna talk that much longer. I'm very excited to watch this pilot teaser. So let's find out. Let's see. And of course, later I'll make a description and commentary, plus I'll give you some information and details of the newest BL series entitled Lovely Addict. But for that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and of course, like and share. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so there we go, the official pilot teaser of Lovely Addict, and this is the newest BL series.
Excuse me.ส่วนที่นี่จะมีกฎอยู่ข้อหนึ่งนั่นก็คือห้ามทุกคนเข้าใกล้คนทางไทยเจ้าของแบรนด์ที่เด็ดขาดมาใหม่เหรออยู่อีก3 เดือนแล้วกันพี่อยู่แม่งโคตรเท่อะเมื่อตอนนั้นมึงบอกว่ามึงไม่ชอบหน้าที่เขาใช่ไงเคยได้ยินคำนี้ปะเวลาเปลี่ยนคนก็เปลี่ยนได้เว้ยตะวันครับ เดี๋ยวเอาของว่างไปคุณทำไทยแต่ผมทีนะผมหมอ
Oh my god. 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 No. Jesus. Okay, so that's a reaction video for today of the official pilot teaser of the newest Thai BL series entitled Lovely Addict, and this is produced by 9NAA. And also, you can visit the original content on the official YouTube channel of 9NAA. I will put the link in the description box below. So this time, magbigay tayo ng komento ako sa tinapanood for the pilot teaser. OMG, nakakalokay. To be honest, hindi pa ako naka-move on dun sa nangyari na pinapanood ko yung Thai Danat miniseries. It's a Filipino miniseries. So, yun, may nangyari din, diba? So, nakita naman natin yung mga spicy scene, the kissing scene dun sa Thai Danat miniseries na kung saan nga, diba, the first ever kissing scene of Xiao and Briggs. Pero hindi yun yung ating pag-uusapan ngayon. Dahil pag-uusapan natin dito yung official pilot teaser ng Lovely Addict, kung saan nakakaloka ito, in fairness. Can YouTube allowed for that scene? Question mark. I don't know, my god, it's hard to, react for kind of this scene because I'm just a little bit curious, and also yeah, a little bit curious, and of course nagtataka ako kung bakit ganun yung nakikita ko kayo dito sa official pilot teaser ng Lovely Addict. Parang maiba lalo na dito sa last scene or last part ng teaser or ng pilot teaser ng Lovely Addict. Nakakaloka, in friend. my God, hindi ko carry ito. I don't know, baka pwede i-blurred na lang natin. Parang may mali, di ba? Parang, parang YouTube ka na allowed for that scene. But, let's see, and yeah. So, I decided to blurred for that scene because, yeah, I think YouTube cannot allowed for that scene. So, medyo baka ma-take down tayo for the community guidelines. Community guidelines strike. So, yeah. Ayoko nang mangyari ng ganon. Yeah, kasi nga nakakuha na ako ng isa pang community guidelines strike. So, kapag nakakuha ako ulit, yeah, meron na akong isa. Diba? So, kasi yung una is, it's a warning. So, kapag makakuha pa ka ng another community guidelines strike, automatically, you have one strike for community guidelines, di ba? So, yeah, I don't know kung allowed ba yun. Ganun yung nakita natin na eksena dito sa Lovely Addict, ang pilot teaser. But I try my best and let's see, isi-censor na lang natin, di ba? For the safetyness of our reaction video and also our YouTube channel, di ba? So, anyway, hinahanap ko siya sa drama list. Actually, nandun naman sa drama list. But sad to say, wala pang info na nakalagay sa drama list regarding dito sa pinakabagong BL series na Lovely Addict. And so far, hindi ko pa alam kung kailan siya ipapalabas. But I think this coming year, 2023. So, I am not sure kung anong buwan siya ipapalabas. But let's wait for the announcement of 9NAA, which is the producer of this series. So, yeah, let's find out. And of course, medyo parang level up yung nangyayari dito sa Lovely Addict. You know, the previous BL series na nirelease ng 9NAA, which is yung, oh my God, I forgot the exact title of those series. Check out, di ba? Parang level up yung nangyayari dito sa Lovely Addict. Di ba, you can see the teaser or the pilot teaser. Kissing scene was good, di ba? You can see naman dun sa kissing scene ng dalawang lead actors. But you can, dun sa pinakahuling scene, eksena dito, yung final scene, parang hindi, di ba? Parang iba na. Alright, so, but let's wait. Yeah, tingnan natin yung kabuuan ng istorya ng Lovely Addict. And sabi ko nga kanina, wala pang info si Drama List regarding dito sa pinakabagong BL series. And let's wait for the announcement of 9NAA kung kailan ito ipapalabas. Yeah, I am not sure kung ngayong taon na ba to or maybe the other year, which is the 2024. So, yeah, kasi wala pang info regarding dito sa pinakabagong BL series. And we are both handsome and also hot. Yung dalawang lead actors dito sa Lovely Addict. Yun. So, nakaka-excite siya. And familiar sa akin yung mga iilang actors na nakikita natin ngayon dito sa Lovely Addict. Familiar sila sa akin. Hindi ko lang maalala kung saang BL series ko sila nakita. But pero yung mga ibang actor na kasama dito sa Lovely Addict, familiar sila sa akin. So, I am very excited for that, di ba? And let's wait, and I am very excited na mapanood itong Lovely Addict, the series, yeah, which is produced by 9NAA, okay? So, guys, if you interested to watch the full version of this official pilot teaser, it less than 2 minutes yung duration ng video, but some of the scene we need to censor because I don't know, but YouTube cannot allow for that kind of scene. I don't know. Yeah, but of course, for our safetyness of our reaction video and also in our YouTube channel, so I decided to censor for some of the scene na nakikita natin dito sa Lovely Addict official pilot teaser. So anyway, bago tayo magtapos, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share, subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, i-click na rin ang notification bell para always get updated sa mga susunod kong gagawing reaction video dito sa ating YouTube channel. And bless everyone, keep safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!